Okay, good evening. Hi, Joven. So, welcome to our recorded video lesson. So, okay, we are done with the sharp keys and let's proceed with the flat keys. Okay, so we are done with the sharp keys, includes go down and eat bananas for Carmen. So, this is the pattern that we used for the sharp keys. Now for the flat keys, so you will memorize this pattern. Fat boys eat apples during geometry class. Okay? So fat boys eat apples during geometry class. Mhm. For a while. For a while. Just give me a second, Joven. So there's a technical problem for a while. 757294856085608. Okay, so here is the keys. I lost my keys. Okay, so let me share you the screen again. Okay, so again, the pattern for the flat keys. So you're going to memorize fat boys eat apples during geometry class. If you notice, in F, there is no flat. But in our second word, the boys, you're going to start putting flat. So this is a flat sign. A flat sign means you're going to go down half step. Okay. So example, this is C. Okay. So C flat is this one. It goes to the left. C flat and B, they are enharmonics. They are the same. Okay, so this is D flat, this is E, this is E flat. Okay, this is F, and this is F flat or E. So they are the same. Okay, so let's start with the first flat key. The first flat key is F. Okay, so let's recite. So the flat keys F, F to F, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. So there is a F has one flat, and the flat is D flat. So F major is F, A, C. F minor is F, A flat, and C. So in diminished, we have error. So this should be B. I'm sorry for this. So this is F, A flat, and D. And F augmented is F, A, C sharp. Okay, let's play F scale. Okay, so let's move our camera. So this is F. This is from F. So F, first finger, G, third finger is A, fourth finger is B flat. So remember, fourth finger. So in the other keys, we are used to turn after third finger. But with the F, you're going to place your fourth finger to B flat. And after fourth finger, you're going to turn to C. E, F. Fourth, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. Then fourth finger, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. F, E, D, C, and then fourth finger, B flat, A, G, F. So you play it, okay, until you master it. A, B flat, C, D, E, F. F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. So F major is F, A, and C. Let's play together. So this is F major chord. F minor, you're going to lower the middle note. So F, A flat, and C. You can move it. F diminished is F, A flat, and B. And F augmented is F, A, C sharp. So major, minor, diminished. That is augmented. Okay, now let's play using left hand. So let's move it. So this is 5. So this is your fifth finger in F. Okay. So let's play. Start. So F5, G, A, second finger B flat, and then C, then turn D, E, F, F, G, F, E, D, then turn to C, B flat, A, G, F. Let's do it again. So let's wait for our internet. Imagine a freeze. We can redo it again. F, G, A, B flat, C, B, E, F, F, E, D, turn C, B flat, A, G, F. So F major is F, A, C. Let's play it. So F major. F minor is F, A flat, and C. F diminished is F, A flat, and B. And F augmented is F, A, C sharp. major, F, A, C. F minor, F, A flat, and C. F diminished is F, A flat, and B. And F augmented is F, A, C sharp. Yes, so that's F major chord, F scale. So remember, in F there is one flat, and the flat is B flat. Okay, let's go to the next key, fat voice. So in B flat, you have two flats. What are the two flats? Boys eat, B flat and E flat. Boys eat. So we have here B flat, first and last, and the E flat. So B flat scale is B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. Do it again, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat. So B flat major chord is the first, the third, and the fifth. So the first is B flat, the third is D, and the fifth is F. So we have B flat, D, and F. B flat minor, you're going to lower the middle note. So we have B flat, D flat, and F. For B flat diminished, it's B flat, D flat, and E. And for B flat augmented, it's B flat, D, F sharp. Okay, let's start playing B flat in our keyboard. So we're going to put our second finger to B flat. So this is our second finger. B flat, first finger to C, D, third E flat, then turn to F, G, A, B flat, B flat, A, G, F, E flat, D, C, B flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat, B flat, A, G, F, E flat, D, C, B flat. Let's do it again. B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat, A, G, F, E flat, D, C, B flat. So B flat major is the first, the third, and the fifth. B flat, D, and F. Now be sure to use your first, third, and fifth finger. That's major. Minor, you're going to lower the D, the middle note. B flat, D flat, and F. Diminished is the lower fifth. So this is from F, it will go here. So B flat, D flat, then this is diminished. Okay, B flat augmented, B flat, D, F sharp. So major, minor, diminished, augmented. Yes. Okay, let's try left hand. Okay, we're going to start with third finger, 3, 2, 1. And then fourth finger, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. B flat, C, 1 D, 4 E flat, 3 F, 2 G, 1 A, 2 B flat, 2 B flat, 1 A, 2 G, 3 F, 4 E flat, 1 D, 2 C, 3. Let's do it again. flat major, B flat minor, B flat diminished, B flat augmented. Again, major, minor, diminished, augmented, major, B flat D F, B D flat F, B D flat E, B D F sharp 4, B flat augmented. Okay, so that is B flat scale. So for today, we played F major scale and the B flat major scale and the chords. Okay, so keep on practicing so you can master it. And don't forget to review your other keys, especially the sharp keys. The Go Down and Eat Bananas for Carmen and Fat Boys. So for next time, we're going to play the third and the fourth flat keys. So that is E flat major chord and A flat, E flat, and A flat major chord. So thank you very much and see you in our B part, note reading.